Hello friends, welcome to Learn Positive with Pradeep Kumar. If you are watching my channel, like, share, comment, subscribe, click the bell icon. Today's subject is fluid mechanics and fluid power. This subject was asked by one of the subscriber, so I will put this subject for him and all the mechanical students who are going to write the exams. So this subject is fourth semester subject for mechanical students. We are going to cover unit 1 property of fluid. All the subjects we are posting in both the languages Tamil and English. If you want to see the previous videos of these subjects and other subjects, please click the I button on the top of the video. It will show the playlist in both in Tamil and English, both languages, and see all the subjects in my channel, and don't forget to subscribe. So this is the part 1 video. We will continue by next videos. So today's subject, we are going to give an introduction for this subject, that is fluid mechanics and fluid power. The name of the topic to be covered in these subjects are first unit, property of fluid and pressure measurements. So we are going to learn about what are the properties for the fluid and what are the pressure measurement systems used for the fluids. And the next second unit is flow of fluids and flow through pipes. So how we can flow a fluid and how can flow the fluid through the pipelines. And the third unit is impact of jets, hydraulic turbines, centrifugal pump and reciprocating from pumps. These are the third unit. And the next fourth unit is pneumatic systems and fifth unit is hydraulic systems. Now today we are going to see the first unit, properties of fluid and pressure measurements. And now I am going to split the unit into two halves. The first chapter is property of fluid and the second chapter is pressure measurements. And now we are going to see about the properties of fluids. For that we have to know about the subject. So what is fluid mechanics? Fluid mechanics is the branch of engineering which deals with the property and behavior of the fluid as at the rest and in motion. So if an engineer can make the fluid as a mechanism to operate the motion or motion by doing the fluid at rest or in motion. For example, we know in automobiles we are using power steering and ordinary steerings. Ordinary steering in the olden side. Now we are using power steerings. So in the olden days, we want to turn the vehicle, means we have to engage our both hands on the steering, and we have the hard steering to turn left or right. But nowadays we are using fluids as the fluids inside the power steerings. We will operate the steering with our single finger. So with our single finger we can operate the steering system and we can control it very softly. So this is the power of fluid mechanism. And then hydraulics. Hydraulics is the branch of engineering deals with the property of property of the liquid and behavior of the liquid. For example, water. So it is the purpose of studying of the property and behavior of the liquids. So what is fluid? Fluid can be defined as a substance which can be flow with or without the aid of force. So this is called fluid. We will discuss about three types of fluids here. There is generally three types of fluids, that is solid, liquid and gas. And this fluids we are going to discuss in this subject are liquid, vapor and gas. So liquid, for the example for the liquid is water, and the vapor, we are going to boil the water, we get the water vapor. And gas, if the water is fully boiled and becomes a steam, it is the gas. So we are going to see about three stages of fluid. One is liquid, vapor and gas. So what are the types of fluids we are going to see about? The fluids are classified as follows by using some laws, that are ideal fluid or perfect fluid. The second one is real fluid or practical fluid. The third one is Newtonian fluid, and fourth one is non-Newtonian fluid. These are the four types of fluids, and we will see it one by one in detail. The first one is ideal fluid or perfect fluid. So the fluid have density only as a property is called ideal fluid. That is the fluid one which has no viscosity, no surface tension, no cohesiveness and adhesiveness, etc. So this fluid is a imaginary fluid which have perfect in any condition at any temperature. So this is a imaginary fluid. The next one is real fluid or practical fluid. The fluid have viscosity, surface tension, cohesiveness, adhesiveness and density is called the real fluid. It is said to be we are using daily in our daily manner, that is water, air, lubrication oils and other oils, vegetable oils like that. They are all practical oils, practical fluids we are using in our daily lives. So these are the real fluid. And the next one is Newtonian fluid. So the Newtonian fluid is said to be, it obeys the Newton's law of viscosity. If a fluid obeys the Newton's law of viscosity, it is said to be the Newtonian fluid. For example, water, lubrication oil, etc. These are obey the Newton's law of viscosity, like spreading on the surface, and also it will gather to the gravitational force. But the fourth one is non-Newtonian fluid. So a fluid which does not obey the Newton's law of viscosity is called the non-Newtonian fluid. For example, paint, plastics, etc. So the paint, it is a non-Newtonian fluid. How it is a non-Newtonian fluid means, so if we give correct temperature and pressure on the paint, so the fluid will stick on the work area. So it will never flow with an viscosity and with a gravitational force. So it is said to be the non-Newtonian fluid. Due to the circumstance, it will change. So that is the non-Newtonian fluid. Friends, if you like this video, give a thumbs up, share with your friends. Don't forget to subscribe. Thank you.